Join legendary trader Shawn Lucas as he travels across the country meeting everyday people in a race against time to see if they have what it takes to make more money in 1 hour than most people can make in an entire day of work. See where Wall Street meets Main Street on this new YouTube sensation called Trader on the Street.
Hi traders, Shawn Lucas here. Looking forward to trading. We're at the summit right now. We're going to be trading today, Trader on the Street with Jackie. Jackie is here at the Apiary Fund Summit, Trading Summit. She's here with her husband and she's never traded before. And we're so excited because she'll be in front of the entire group on stage and trading, learning how for the first time to place her first trade with us on Trader on the Street.
My name is Jackie Chavez, and I am from Denver, Colorado. I have 2 girls and 1 boy, and this is another boy, so I'm gonna have 2 and 2. I am an accountant, full-time. I have no trading experience. I've never traded in my life. I'm actually excited. I just think that I will have fun, like learning something new.
Okay, our goal today is to make about $173. We've got about an hour to do that. Okay. Does that sound okay?
Okay.
You up to the challenge?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we're in our first trade right now.
Oh my gosh.
I know, you're nervous, huh? And that green line now, that's our finish line. So in the horse racing, right? This is the starting line, the green line is the finish line. Now we're in a few trades here, and so it's gonna, we're gonna be losing a little bit of money through this process. Now the farther we get away from the finish line, the harder it is for the market to move that far. It's like the horse gets tired. So we're in three layers of trades, 1, 2, and 3. So we'll lose money on one, break even on the other, and make money on the other if we hit our targets, our finish lines. We're building into these position, and all we need is that up leg to hit just once, and we're in good shape.
In trading with Jackie today, we set up to catch a reversal breakout pattern. This pattern is marked by a change in both the direction and the speed of the market. Imagine a horse at the racetracks. At the start of the race, the horse is barreling out of the gates, quickly hitting top speed in the home stretch. But the straight doesn't last forever, and the horse is quickly forced to slow down as it approaches the turn in the track. After the horse rounds the apex of the turn, it can start to pick up speed again as it breaks out into the back stretch. The reversal today was marked by a similar development. Price began to slow down as it came into a support. The slowing momentum was a signal to start looking for an apex bar to form. As price rounded the corner, it picked up speed and broke out into a new trend. We used the slowing momentum in price and the turn in the market to build a long position, one small trade at a time. Then as price rounded the corner, it started picking up speed and it was off to the races, and we closed the position out for a tidy little profit.
Oh, nice. Yes, you did so good. Keep going, keep going. Now we really want it to break out of that line. That's that big one that we were talking about all morning long. We want it to break. Are you?
Go like up here?
Yeah, yes. So it's sitting right there. It's just so close, so close. Go look, go look. Okay, click the X. Yeah, click the X. Another one. Oh, look at that. One more X. We don't want to give that up. Okay, another X. You're good, you're good. You're so good. One more X. We're not going to risk this. And one more X. Just going to pause. And last X. Let's pull that off. You did awesome so far. This is a hard market, I gotta tell you. This is like, we are really squeezing blood out of a turnip right here. All right, so let's look at where we're at. We're at 932. We started at 746. So let's see what that is right now. 186. We hit our target.
Did we?
Yes. We did it. We made more. We made as much in that, let's see, that was roughly how many minutes? We made as much as most people make in an entire day in 30 minutes. You are awesome. You're so good.
It did not seem like 30 minutes.
It didn't seem like that, did it? Man, the great thing about this is that if we can really learn how to read these charts like we did and make some trades, you can make a lot of money in a very small amount of time. All right, what I'd like to do, Jackie, is because you did this trading, this was your job. You pushed the buttons. I'd like to give you what you made today.
What?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So let me write you an apiary fund checkout.
Oh my gosh.
So,
This is so exciting.
all right. Okay, let me sign that.
Wow.
Now, we made what was it? $186
In 30 minutes.
in 30 minutes. But do you see the balance is $50,932.21?
Yeah.
I started this morning at $50,000.
Wow.
So in this morning, since we started trading this morning, this account has made $932.
Wow.
So in the past,
less than one day?
less than a half a day, like 3 or 4 hours.
That's more than I make doing taxes.
Yeah. So what I'd like to do is I'd just like to give you the entire trading day worth of income.
Oh no.
Are you okay with that? So $932.81.
Wow.
I traded for you today. And this is your trading profit.
Oh my gosh. I've never traded in my life.
Well, you did good today, so beginner's luck, right? So there you go, Jackie. Nice job. Your first trading session and you're a winner.
That's exciting.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting.
Well, it's awesome, isn't it? I love to trade.